everyone, I hope you liked the footage of our little road trip to Markham. I'm coming from Ottawa, so it was about a 4-hour drive there and a 4-hour drive back, and we decided to do it in one day, which was a lot, but it was worth it because look at all these cool plants I got. So I'm going to show you the haul portion of this video, and I figured I'd start with the Kim's Nature part. So I bought 2 pots and 2 plants, and the pots are small. You can see I've already had stuff kind of sitting in them, but these were $8 each. They're really cute. I'm dropping more dirt there. I'll clean up after. Yeah, small but cute, just little like glazed ceramic pots. I also got this Haworthia cooperi, and it is super cute. I love this thing. I'm trying to show you in the light a little bit better, but it is see-through. There, you can see it much better that way. Yeah, it's super cool looking. I was really pleased to find this. It's kind of like got more gray brown undertones rather than green. And for that, what did I pay for that? I think that one was either $5 or $6. And then the last one is this guy, and I always forget the name. It's like a Pleopsilus or something like that, but I'll put it on the screen. Yeah, the foliage is gorgeous. This was $15, and it trails, and apparently it does okay in diffuse light, but I just really like the range of color on the leaves. I think this is really cool, and I've never seen this in Ottawa. So yeah, that was a cool trip. We got to see some of the really expensive plants that I don't know, I don't trust myself to buy because I'm worried I'll kill them, but they were neat to see in person, honestly, because I haven't really seen a lot of rare or expensive plants in person. And then my receipts here for reference, but I have the Valleyview Gardens portion of my haul. Also a good trip. You can see I bought these seeds. They're winter squash. I'm worried that I'll run, or not all run out, but the stores will run out of seeds again, so I figured I would buy some. And since my friend Rachel is letting me use her backyard to garden this year, I'm going to have so much space, so I think it'd be nice to use the squash. Because this year with the container gardening, I just couldn't really do anything that sprawls too much. But anyways, those were $3.55. And then I've got other plants here. So some of these weren't labeled. Like this one, I have no idea what this is called. It was just kind of in like various succulents or assorted succulents. But I think this one was $6.95. And we've got a string of nickels, that was $3.95. String of hearts, this one was $11.85. And then the Gasteria, which I think that guy was $6.95. Sorry, I read the receipt wrong, and this one is actually $9.95. And then this one I found that I think is really cool, because I think it used to be a really popular house plant, but you don't really see it around anymore, but it's called Devil's Backbone, because it's got a kind of zigzag, I guess, like Satan's backbone would look like. But that one was, I think that one was $6.95. And then lastly, I just got another small planter cash po. I found that I don't really have enough small pots for some of the succulents I've been buying, so this one was $2.95, which is a good price for this little guy. So yeah, that's pretty much the haul. We also stopped at a Walmart and I got a planter there, but these were from the 2 nurseries. So I'm really pleased with those. Definitely worth the trip, I would say. It was really fun. And we had pretty good weather too. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And I'll try to get some footage, I guess additional footage inside nurseries in the future. But we're kind of getting out of houseplant season, so I don't think I'll be shipping anything to me anymore. But anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. And have a good week. Bye.